You have to know the past to understand the present. You have to know where you come from to go on. Everything has a past, everything. If you don't know the past, you can't understand the present and plan properly for the future. Past is present when you carry it with you. I have a special bond with the Skoda 130 RS because it was a very successful racing car during my teenage years. Both my father and uncle worked on the development of racing car engines, so they shared in the success of the Skoda 130 RS. The car made its first appearance in 1975 when I was 11 years old and continued racing until I was 19. Throughout that time, I was its biggest fan. Yesterday is the past, tomorrow is the future, but today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. I am very lucky to work with this dream car. Today, the Scala Monte Carlo and the Comic Monte Carlo are the range toppers in their respective model series. And they will soon have company. The past is behind. We learned from it. The future is ahead. We are prepared for it. The present is here. We live it. With the new Skoda Fabia Monte Carlo. Dynamic, sporty and exciting. And at the same time, more roomy, comfortable and safe than ever before.